because it's the attitude. Bhava Grahi Janardhan. Krishna, he's looking for the attitude. It's not quantity of devotion, it's not numbers of rounds. I know devotees that chant 100 rounds a day for years, and there's no transformation. Because there's some flaw in their very nature, their svabhav. They have like a vrishchik svabhav. Because their svabhav is something we're born with. Our destiny, our bhagya, our luck, our destiny. There's a lot of things. Someone can chant 64 rounds for many, many years and not really progress more than a few inches. Because the inherent nature is so difficult to transform. We're talking about transformation. By chance, I saw on the Facebook and had the name of someone that I knew. And then I was curious. Curiosity killed the cat. But I hadn't seen that person since 30 years I'm in India, Vrindavan. So, and I knew that person. We joined about the same time. So I went there and I was, oh my God. I couldn't believe it. The person's 70 years old and he had long dyed hair and he was playing rock and roll music and singing rock and roll, and his whole Facebook is all about his latest rock and roll. I thought, wow. Not even any Krishna lyrics or, just same old, same old. And I thought, and there's thousands of people like that. Changed nature. Even the gopis are saying in the Rasa Panchadaya when they're separated from Krishna, they said this, he just left us. He called us out, or he invited us out here individually with his flute. He called each of us by name. Then we got here. He said, what are you doing? Why you came here? Oh, you should go from here. And then he ran away on us. He left us. So there they said, they're speaking with each other, the gopis. And they said, actually, the sages are right. And the scriptures are right. And the sages are right when they say it's very difficult to change one's nature. One's nature is svabhav. Svabhav is a combination of our guna and karma from our last life, which makes us what we are in this life. Makes us think what we think, like what we like, and dislike what we dislike, and say what we say. So it's very difficult. Oh, he's a devotee. So we say he's a devotee, but what's the difference between yesterday and today? You become a devotee today, and now you're a caterpillar, now you're a butterfly. Even a caterpillar doesn't become a butterfly overnight. It takes some time, and it has to go through some process. It's called metamorphosis. So today I'm a whatever, and the next day I have a pair of neck beads. Oh, I am Krishna Das. Oh, he's a devotee. How could he do that? What do you mean, how could he do that? And even now, devotees, they don't even call themselves Krishna Das. They say, Joe Krishna Smith, or something like that. So even they're reverting, even the course of being a devotee, they don't even want to use their devotee name. They want to go back to Smith, Joe Krishna Smith. Instead of, he was Joe Smith, then he became Krishna Das. Now he's has split personality. Am I Joe Smith or am I Krishna Das? So it's Joe Krishna Smith. So this is further proof that the transformation has not occurred. Because transformation means leaving everything, giving up everything I had and going to something new. Where do you find the caterpillar and the butterfly? You can't see anymore. Where is that caterpillar? It's totally gone, erased, disappeared. The same jiva and the same lifespan and the same amount of pran. He's had so many breaths as a caterpillar. Then he's continuing to breathe in the cocoon, and then that jiva continues to breathe when he comes out as a butterfly. Totally transformed by color, by name, by shape, by quality. So that should be the bhakti process. Total transformation. I'm Das. First I become Das. I'm Krishna Das. And hey, I'm Krishna Das, the temple commander. But then after some years you may realize, oh, actually I'm supposed to become Krishna. I'm actually Krishna Das. Anu Das. Oh, I'm supposed to be a servant of the other dasas also. Oh, so like this, gradually our ego of being the supreme Krishna Das becomes diminished and we become Krishna Das, Anu Das. We become servant of the others that are named Krishna Das.